All right, I got the chair mat for carpet by Big Double X. This was sent to me so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I needed something like this for my mom's sewing room, just to make it easier for her so she's not rolling around on the carpet. This is made out of a very durable feeling PVC material. It has studs all over the bottom of it. They grip to the carpet, which is what you want, and so to keep it from moving around. It is 48 inches long and 36 inches wide, so there's plenty of room for her. I could even get this underneath of the desk and she can roll around on it. I'm 240 pounds. I have no problems at all rolling around on this. It's a nice clear. It's obviously clear, so it's aesthetic. You know, if you spill something on here, it's going to be obviously easy to clean up. One thing you want to take into consideration when you purchase this is that it comes rolled up in a tube box, so you're going to have to unroll this yourself. I took it upon myself to use a hair dryer to soften up the material a little bit, and that helped me get it into a position where I could unroll it, get it flat in the carpet. I put stuff on all four corners and I let it sit overnight, and it retains the flat shape. Obviously it's going to get more flat as I roll around on it. It's very durable feeling. It's the right size for my mom in this office right here. It's 4 foot long by 3 foot wide. It'll fit under her desk. She can roll around, and perfect. So the carpet we have here is thin. We've got thin carpet in this room. We've got padding underneath of it, thin padding underneath of it, and then obviously the subfloor underneath of there. So this works perfectly for this type of carpet. I can see it working good for carpet that's thin, maybe medium carpet. I don't think it's going to be great for like big fluffy carpet. I just don't see it being good for that. But as far as like, you know, thin carpet and medium carpet, you should be fine. I think this thing's going to hold up for a while because it's very durable. This PVC material is very durable. It did have a smell in the box when I arrived because it's PVC, so it's starting to dissipate now that it's in a big room and it's able to tear out a little bit. It's not stuffed in a box, so that's cool. So if you're looking for a durable mat for your rolling chair to help you roll easier on the carpet, check out this one by Big Double X. Check it out.